So hello, my name is Rohit. My roll number is 23F2002473. I am currently at diploma level in BS degree of IIT Madras. So the problem was based for the MAD-1 project. The problem was based on vehicle parking management app. So I approached this problem by making a technical tech stack using first I use for backend I use Flask. For database queries, I use SQLite, and for the front-end purpose, I use normal HTML. So this will be the front page, that login page, that will be the visible to both the admin and the user, as there will be two users for it, then admin and the user. User will be a normal user that will book for the appointment, book for the slots, and admin that will regulate all the management activities. So let's start with the user activity, as we will sign up for a new user. We will give a new name like Shin. This is registration is successfully done. I have put our details for the password and this. Yeah, I went in. So this will be the user portal. This is the user dashboard. User dashboard has three things. Home, this is the home page of the user details. Logout and edit profile. User can edit his profile like full name, change his mail ID, change his password like that, and save the changes. Second, there is recent parking history. This will be generated after booking an spot in the parking lots, as these are the parking lots here. There are basically 4 parking lots, 1, 2, 5 and 6. These are the parking lot IDs. These are the address and the total vacant, currently vacant spot total there. These are the actions. Action means we can book any of these. Like I want to book for the spot, parking spot, Suket Hospital. This will be display will be presenting after that. The book the parking spots, the spot ID 367, lot ID 5 and user ID 15. I will give here my vehicle number like 452 and 452. As I click on reserve, here the previous rent was 125 and now it's 124, as one parking spot is now occupied by the user. For the ID this and location this, for the vehicle number this and timestamp this, and the action to release the parking spot can be also released. As I release this, this will be the like spot ID this and vehicle number this and time number, release timing, and the cost for hourly cost is 120. That will be here by the user. As I click on release, the parking spot will be there and here will be shown parking out, and again it converges to 125. This will be the user portal. User can see here edit details and the details. So this is the user portal. We can also do one more. So same goes for this. ID this and count releases. As I click on release, this is the cost. Differently costs are arranged for different parking lots. So this is this. As I click on this, and that's it for this. For the user dashboard, as I click on here logout, I will be logout. Yeah. So now we will move for the admin user. For admin user, we can create a new account. This account will be only created by the developer side for the admin in the database only. No new account can be made from the login page. As I click on, I have defaultly set in password for admin@admin.com and admin. As I click on this, this will be the home dashboard of the admin, welcoming the admin. This will show all the parking lots like parking number 1, parking number 2, parking number 5 and parking number 6 will be available, will be shown here. Now, as we see for the details for the parking lot, the parking number 1 cannot place will have an address details like this and hourly cost like this. It will be showing 2 types of dots representation for the parking spot, like green representing it is not currently it is currently unoccupied, and for the red it's currently occupied. Like if we click on this on 3, this will show that ID spot ID number 3 is occupied by customer ID number 11 for the vehicle number 1978 for the start timing this, and the cost of hourly is this. If we go on non-occupied spot, this will will show ID number 4 and status unoccupied. Right now A represent unoccupied, A represent unoccupied and O represent occupied. Okay, in the database. Now we will see the functionality of the parking slots. Like I have put three functionality: details, edit, and delete. Details will have the details of the user that have occupied the parking spot or currently occupying, like status. Here we can say occupied by the user Rohit 567 currently. And as we move back to the database dashboard, this is for details is done. Edit, we can also edit the details. Like I want to reduce the cost right now. This is the cost. I want to reduce it to only 80 and change the parking capacity to only 50. So I can also update it, and this will be updated. 50 capacity is there and 80 cost per hourly is set. I can also, for going for third option, we can also delete. Like I want to delete parking 6. I want to delete it. The parking 6 will be deleted, and there will be showing a message parking lot is deleted. Now, as we have seen all of these three functionality, details, edit and delete, now we will consider making a new parking lot as we discussed. Like I want to consider a new parking spot for the location Manali. Price for hourly is 150. Address is block 64. Block 64, 61. Pin code may be some 2. And for the maximum spot, I want to go for only 10 spot right now. I will add this. And parking number 6, Manali, block 61. This is made. I can also see the user detail, like Rohit Sharma is occupying this, Anmol is occupying this, not for the park spot name this, so Roma is occupying block A, cannot place Delhi right now this. For the user registered user details, I can also search for the user detail. Like I want to search for the user ID number 8. For user ID 8, Anmol is the user. Like I want to go for the now spot ID. Spot ID, I want to go for the spot ID number 6, I say. So 6 is occupied, and that is lot number MG Road, and it is currently occupied. And also seen and unoccupied too. That is spot ID number 7 MG Road, and that is unoccupied right now. For lot name, I can also go for the lot name. Like I want to see for the lot name Manali. So there are 2 parking lots for Manali. One is for Suket Hospital, one is for block 61. These I can also edit and delete the things over here also. Same way. So this is the admin dashboard. Admin can also access to edit his username, and currently want to change his password, like that. And that's it for this project, and using an admin can log out from that. Thank you.